Good morning, children. Today I shall explain to you all the third lesson of Standard 8 in English. The lesson is Before the Match. This lesson is an extract from the novel Swami and His Friends by R.K. Narayan, who is a famous Indian writer who has written works in English during the 1930s. In this lesson, there was a cricket match to be played on a Sunday after 2 weeks. Swaminathan, along with his friend Rajam, forms a new cricket team called the MCC, that is, Malgudi Cricket Club. In the team, Swami is compared to Tate. Morris Tate is an English cricketer who was the best bowler of his time. A match is scheduled between the MCC and another local team called the YMU, that is Young Men's Union. Tension was building up between Rajam and Swami as the match was only a fortnight away and Swami was not coming for practice in the evenings due to some extra classes after school. Rajam suggested telling the headmaster, but Swami turned down his suggestion. Rajam threatened Swami, saying he would never speak to him again if he keeps any batsman waiting for more than 5 minutes. Swami tries to escape the drill class in the evening by telling the drill master that he is unwell. Swami thinks of delirium as an excuse for not attending drill. Though the drill master does not believe Swami, he lets him go. His cricket team members are happy to see Swami come early for practice. But Swami knows that he has to find some other ways to escape drill and other tasks of school for a whole week. So, the next day, early in the morning, he visits a doctor and tells him honestly that he wants a fake medical certificate. The doctor tells him that he has to have some ailment if he has to give a certificate. So, Swami mentions delirium as his problem. The doctor asks Swami the meaning of delirium. Swami states that it must be something like stomach ache. The doctor has a hearty laugh. The doctor tells Swami that he wouldn't be able to give him the certificate. But Swami earnestly requests him to help him out. Then the doctor promises to speak to the headmaster and convince him to allow Swami to go for practice. Swami is greatly relieved and he leaves the place, thanking the doctor for being kind to him. Thank you. Now, children, let us discuss the exercise behind the lesson. Now, first of all, you have to read the lesson. And when you're reading the lesson, if you don't understand any word, you have the meanings given and you have to refer to the meanings. Now, first, we shall start with the meanings. This will be your first main in your notebooks, what you have to write. Now, the first meaning, peace of mind, a state in which one feels calm and quiet, not worried. Thrash, defeat someone very badly in a game. Anxiety, worry or fear about something. Tate, Swami is given the nickname Tate after the famous English fast bowler Morris Tate, who was well known in the 1920s and 1930s. Fortnight means 2 weeks. Contrary to the custom, different from what usually happens every day. Tucked up, the edges of their dhotis were folded and turned up so that they were held in place. Muttering, saying something in a quiet voice that is difficult to hear, especially when you are annoyed. Become desperate, tried something when everything else had failed, pursued, followed or chased someone. Oath, a word or phrase that is used to express anger, surprise, shock, etc. Delirious, a state of excitement when you cannot think or speak clearly, usually caused by a fever. Scouting, activists related to an organization called the Scout Association. It was originally meant for boys to train young people to practical skills and involve them in many activities like camping, etc. Of late, in recent times, choke, make it difficult for someone to speak because they do not have enough air. Examined, looked at someone or something clearly to see if there was anything wrong. In the pink of health, be in very good health. To get rid of, to free yourself of something that is annoying or causing a problem. Prosecuted, charged with a crime in a court of law. Now, the next main is comprehension. Answer the following questions in a sentence or two each. Now, the first question is, name the teams that are to play the cricket match in the lesson. The teams are Malgudi Cricket Club and Young Men's Union. Who were the prominent players in the MCC team? The prominent players in the MCC team are Rajam, Mani and Swaminathan. Who was the Tate of the team? Why was he called so? Swaminathan was called the Tate of the team. It was the nickname given to him as he was the fast bowler. He was named so after the famous English fast bowler Maurice Tate. Why could Swami not attend the practice in the evenings? Swami could not attend the practice in the evenings because he had to attend drill class, scouting and other periods. What was Swami's excuse for exempting him from drill for a week? The excuse Swami gave for exempting him from drill was that he was delirious and the doctor has asked him not to attend drill class. Question 6. What did Swami request the doctor to give him? Swami requested the doctor to give him a doctor's certificate to exempt him from the drill class, scouting and other classes taken in the evening. Now the next main. Read the extracts given below and answer the questions that follow. First, there was only one who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. Question. Who caused Rajam the deepest anxiety? Answer. Swaminathan. Question B. Why was this so? Answer. Because he did not attend the cricket practice in the evenings. Now the second. Just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. Question. What is the match referred to here? Answer. It's a cricket match. Question B. Why were the evenings more precious than ever? Answer. Because there were only a few days left for the cricket match and his team wanted to win the match. Now the third one. But contrary to the custom, he had not taken off his coat and cap. Question. Why did Swami not take off his coat and cap? Answer. Swami did not want to attend the drill class. Question B. What happened soon after? After listening to the reason, the drill master asked Swami to get out. 4. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? Now question A. Who is speaking to Swami in these lines? Answer. The doctor. Question B. Was there anything really wrong with Swami? Answer. No, there was nothing wrong with Swami. Question C. What is the real purpose of Swami's visit? Answer. The real purpose was to get a doctor's certificate. Now the fifth one. I can't give you the certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. Now question A. Why does the doctor refuse to give a certificate? Answer. As nothing was wrong with Swami, he was healthy and fit, so the doctor refuses to give a certificate. Question B. What does he offer to do instead? Answer. Instead, he offers to talk to Swami's headmaster. Question C. Do you think the doctor was kind to Swami? Yes, the doctor was kind to Swami. Now, the next main C. Answer the following questions in about 6 or 8 sentences each. Question 1. How did Swami manage to get the permission of the drill master? Answer. Swami and his friends had to play a cricket match against Young Men's Union, for which they needed practice. Everybody was practicing regularly except Swami. When only a few days were left for the match, Swami realizes that he needs practice in the evenings. He goes to the drill class and asks the drill master for permission, telling him that he was delirious and he did not sleep the last night. The doctor had asked him not to attend the drill class for a week. The drill master did not believe him and asked him to get out. Now question 2. What was Swami's plan to get exemption from drill for a week? Answer. Swami had to practice for the cricket match against YMC. His other teammates practiced regularly in the evenings, but Swami could not attend due to his drill and scouting classes. He asked the drill master for permission, saying that he did not sleep the previous night as he was delirious and the doctor has asked him not to attend the drill for a week. The drill master did not believe a word and sent him out. Hence, the next day morning, Swami thought of a plan to get an exemption from drill classes in the evenings. He plans to get a doctor's certificate to be free in the evenings for a week. Question 3. How did the doctor promise to help Swami? Swami meets Dr. T. Keshavan in Sri Krishna dispensary, who was free at that time. He asks the doctor for a doctor's certificate. The doctor asks him for a reason. Swami tells him the truth, that he had to play a match in the next week against the YMU and he needed practice. But there were classes in the evening. In order to get an exemption from these classes, he needed the doctor's certificate. The doctor asks him for a reason and Swami says he has delirium. The doctor checks Swami and finds him hale and healthy and asks him to attend the evening classes. Swami tells the doctor the importance of the practice for the match. Hence, the doctor promises Swami that he would talk to Swami's headmaster and would request him to let Swami off after 4:30. Now, a paragraph outline. Complete the following paragraph with the help of the clues given below. Now, I am sending you the answers of each para and you have to fill in the blanks and you can keep it in the textbook. There is no need of writing it in the fair books. Now answers to para 1. First, palace, soldiers, and fond of honey, keep watch. Answers for para 2: to eat, sow, storehouse, stole, demanded, thief. Answers to para 3: summoned, stand, devised, identify, noticed, as soon as, lifted up, observed, thus, investigation. So we have completed the lesson, and you have to complete all this in your fair books and learn it up. Thank you.